Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to run meta ads campaign step by step. So guys, meta ads actually work in 2026, and if you set them up correctly you can get started. So in this video I'll be showing you how to run a meta ads campaign even if you're a beginner. So your first step is creating a meta ads account. So all you need to do is go to Meta Business Suite, which is basically just a search away. Just simply head over to Ads Manager, that's Meta for Business, and then simply sign up. Now, once you go to Meta Business Suite, create or log in your business account. If you do not have an account, go ahead and create one. If you do have an account, you can just simply sign up. So just go ahead and open it up on your browser. And once it opens up, just simply add your Facebook page and your ad account. So welcome to Meta Business, more business for move your business forwards with Meta Technologies. So you can go ahead and click on Start Now, and it's going to open the Facebook login option. And you simply log into Facebook to continue, and then you can proceed to create your Meta Ads account. All right, so once you're done there, the next step is choosing the right campaign objective. So you need to pick based on your goals. If you want traffics, that's basically if you want clicks, if you want people to click on your stuff, if you want engagements, that's likes and comments, if you want sales, that's conversion. So you need to know that for selling, always choose sales. So if you're looking to sell, you should work, if you're looking for more sales, you should work on your conversions. How adaptable and how people approach your business actually matters when it comes to making profit off of Meta. That's Facebook. Now, moving on, the next step is actually setting up your budget and schedule. So you can start with $3 to $10 per day, and then you can use that as your daily budget to simply run advertisements continuously. Depending on your location, the prices for running an advertisement on Meta may vary. So please keep that in mind while you simply explore Meta and make use of the opportunities that they provide. All right, so moving on, if you also want to get the right audience attention, you're going to start simple by targeting one country. So you could target the UK, you could target Indonesia, you could target the US, depending on where you want to sell, and then also make their interest something on your mind. When you're providing services via business, that's Meta Business, make sure you're in agreement with the broader amount of interest from your customers. And also try to pick an age range that would fit your product. So you cannot sell sneakers to old people, but you can sell them to the youths. And you're most likely going to be able to sell canes, that's walking sticks, for the old rather than for the young. So please keep that in mind when you're curating your business account. And then moving on, try to create an ad. So most times people fail to just create advertisements. Advertisements can be done using AI. You could get an advanced animation from a platform like Dolly. You could use it to run advertisements for you. It's an AI image generator, but you can also use other platforms for video generation. So you can use this to boost sales across your channels and also across your platforms. Now, moving on, another thing you need to try is writing an ad that would create conversions. So, besides creating images and videos, the most important things are hooks on your content. So, try to include a lot of hooks and SEO optimized statements. So, when people search them on Google, they would most likely find your post on Facebook and interact with your Meta business account. Moving on, another thing you can try is once you're live, you could launch and monitor your performance. How do you do that? Simply check your CTR and then watch your cost per result and then pause bad ads after 2 to 3 days. So once you launch an ad, make sure you monitor the conversion rates. Make sure you monitor the clicks, make sure you monitor the likes and the comments. See what people like about your advertisements. Show them to immediate friends, show them to family members, so you can kind of get what the public would be interested in. And now you do not have to tell any of these people it's your ad, just simply post it and then tell them what they think about it. And then you can simply curate these results and simply correct whatever needs to be corrected on your advertisements. So you end up making the most out of the paid ads that you're hosting. And now, next is scaling your winning ads. So when you finally find an advertisement that actually works for your Meta Business Suite, simply scale it up. Replicate the same process you used in creating it. So also that also means documenting your processes. You can do this using a platform like Microsoft Word or Notion. So you can keep notes on how you worked through each process, how each process was engaging and also simple. And then duplicate the process, increase your budget slowly so you can host your ads for longer, and also test new creatives. So test new styles, see what works, and scrap what doesn't. But I would prefer you stay on one path so you can actually get your product out there and get mass conversions. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.